So yan, isang magandang araw sa inyong lahat dyan mga bayan ko. This is Christian. Welcome to my vlog. At nandito tayo ngayon sa Commonwealth Avenue, pa northbound ito, no? So per view na po itong sakop na to pagdating dyan. So ito na po yung ating i-update, itong station ng Commonwealth MRT7. Ayan po yung station ngayon na kanilang ginagawa. At nakikita natin, no? Parang kumpleto na at may mga pintura naman na lahat din, no? So yung ginagawa po sa loob na lang po siguro ang kanilang inaayos dyan sa may looban, no? So ito po yung viaducts naman, nakikita nyo po, ano? Meron na rin pong mga fencing o mga wall ito, yung mga nasa magkabilang gilid. Ito po yung patungo dyan naman sa may station ng Don Antonio. Ayan po banda, yan. Yan po yung sa may Holy Spirit, Barangay Holy Spirit, no? So tayo mag-drone dito. Patungo dito, ispatan natin yung station diyan sa may Don Antonio at pabalik. Ispatan natin itong ginagawa dito. Kung meron na pong mga riles itong ibabaw ng mga viaducts hanggang doon, patungo diyan sa may north. At kung kaya pang abutin yung Manggahan Station, ay atin ding pasadaan yung bahaging yon. Okay?
The Metro Rail Transit Line 7, also known as Mass Rail Transit Line 7, is a rapid transit line under construction in the Philippines. When completed, the line will be 22.8 kilometers long, with 14 stations, and the first line to have a third rail electrification. The line runs in a northeast-southwest direction, beginning at San Jose del Monte, Bulacan up to the North Triangle Common Station in North Avenue, Quezon City. It will be the second line to use heavy metro cars after LRT Line 2, which was opened in 2003. The stations will have a standard layout, with a concourse level and a platform level. The concourse is usually above or below the platform, with stairs, escalators and elevators leading down to the platform level. Station concourses will contain ticket booths, which is separated from the platform level by fare gates. Most stations will be designed to be barrier-free inside and outside the station, and trains will have spaces for passengers using wheelchairs. Stations will either have island platforms and side platforms.
Sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, please click subscribe para ma-notify kayo tuwing may bago tayong upload. So yan, pa-southbound po tayo ngayon at i-check natin itong ginagawang Don Antonio Station. Ito yung station na malapit dito sa Barangay Holy Spirit, Quezon City. Ito na yung station ng Don Antonio, ano? So pabalik na tayo dito sa Batasan Station. Itong Batasan Station, ito po yung pang-anim na station mula dito sa North Avenue. Ito na yung station ng Batasan, no? Halos buo na. At kumpleto na rin ito. Itong interior na lang itong kanilang ginagawa dito. Ito naman yung station ng Manggahan at ito po ay pang-pitong station mula dito sa North Avenue kung saan nandun naman yung common station. So yan, hanggang dito muna ang ating update dito sa MRT7 station ng Batasan at yung itong Don Antonio station, no? So inyo pong nakita halos patapos na lahat itong kanilang mga ginagawa dito. So yan po ang kabuuan ng ating update. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating YouTube channel. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas and God bless you all.